Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
So we have placed an order for 7,50,000 entire. Wherein 1 lakh
is it distributed among various parties or one party?
No, it is one party.
One vendor?
Yes, one vendor.
And how many have they installed till now?
We have started with DTCs which are around 9,000. Government installation we have started which are around 5,800. And then we started with government installation which are around 5,800.
Okay.
After that we will go for industries.
So approximately 15,000 have been installed.
Yes, around 20,000.
It must be 2 to 3 year program?
It is till August 2027. Everybody is trying to put solar as a business model, not to care for Goa or to care for certain, as an obligation or as a business. So I also has to see my business for electricity department. If I allow them net metering for more than 500, industry has a lot of money. He will definitely put 2 megawatt. He will try to pump in the grid 2 megawatt of power, and will nicely try to consume the power during peak hours where my power cost is almost near to 10 rupees. Most of the consumption is during daytime, and I am losing 20%. In peak hours, I am buying power at a rate of 9 rupees 50 paise during exchange. Small quantum though. And consumers have consumed at a rate of 7 rupees. And if I allow you more than 500, you will pump the power in the daytime and the power in the exchange is less than 2 rupees. Industry can always go for a storage, or we have not stopped. That is a cap for net metering. Industry can put 2 megawatt, 3 megawatt, 4 megawatt, but the model of financial will be different for them. Then entire power has to be given to me. It will be paid to them at a rate of 8 ppc. I cannot allow 16% of the population to become super rich and 84% of the picture to become super poor.